How to copy signature from one document to another. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to copy signature from one file or one document to another. So let's get started. So in this example I want to show you that if I were to copy this signature from this document to this document, what I'll be doing is the first step is easy. If your signature is in a text format and it's in an editable format, you can even change your PDF format to the Word file, as you can see over here. So you can even change your PDF format to Word file and simply use that particular signature or copy that particular signature just like this over to another document by simply copying it by hitting Ctrl C on your keyboard and simply pasting it over here just like this. So you can also readjust it and re-edit it by via the Word itself. So if your signature is were to be an image, so in that case what you'll need to do is, so let me just quickly show you. As you can see, let's say if this were to be an image, you just have to take a screenshot of this just like this by simply pressing Windows Shift and S on your keyboard. So let me just quickly show you from my on-screen keyboard. So you just have to press on Windows Shift and S at the same time and it will, the screenshot window will appear over here and you can easily take a screenshot. So once you've taken a screenshot, you can basically come over to the page where you want to paste the screenshot just like this, and you can simply paste the screenshot of that particular signature and readjust it just like that. So if you were unable to readjust it, you can simply right click on it and head over to wrap text and simply click on any one of these options. So let me just quickly select behind the text. So now you can easily format or adjust the place of this signature as an image just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.